This video will show you how to create See Also links and will also demonstrate how they can be helpful as you begin to write up your analysis. Let's begin with a type of See Also link that can help you to connect the ideas in a memo to the data you are describing. So I begin by reading Margaret's interview. I can see she describes herself as a Davis shoreman. I'm interested in why this occupation is such a big part of her identity, even overriding her gender. From the Create tab, I'll create a new memo to start recording my thoughts. I think I'll call this Identity Across Generations. I'm going to insert a date and timestamp into my new memo by using Ctrl+Shift and T. And I'll make my note here as I've described. Now, I'd like to include that quote from Margaret's interview to illustrate my point, but I don't want to create a second copy of that passage, so it's here that the See Also link becomes helpful. I go to Margaret's interview and select the passage. I right-click to copy, just as if I were going to paste the quote into my memo, but now I return to my memo, highlight the passage "One female participant describes herself." I right-click in the section and choose Paste as See Also link. Note the section is now highlighted in pink. At the bottom of Detailed View, I can see that the link goes to the file that is my interview with Margaret. Anytime I return to this memo, I can right-click on the pink highlighted text and choose Links, See Also link, and Open Item. Margaret's interview will open with the copied selection highlighted. I can view all See Also links in a memo by going to the View area on the memo ribbon and ticking See Also links. They appear in a window at the bottom of Detailed View and are hyperlinked to the text. I can double-click on one of them to open it. Now here is where the See Also link can be helpful in your writing up. Later on, you might choose to export this memo to begin writing a section of your report or paper about this issue. You'll see that when I right-click in this memo and choose Export Memo, I have the option to include See Also links. If I accept this option, you'll see here that the content of the See Also link has come through into my document as an endnote. Before we go, I'd like to show you one more type of See Also link. Suppose later I'm reading the interview with Mary and James, and I note Mary's description of Marshallberg as a community of boat builders and how she says this has persisted, unlike other communities where there have been far more business development. I have a photograph of Marshallberg Harbour in this project that illustrates how underdeveloped this area remains. To link this passage of the interview to that photograph, I begin by selecting the passage. Now I am right-clicking and choose Links, then See Also link, and then New See Also link. I'm leaving the option at the default of Existing Item. Now I click Select and then navigate to the Area and Township folder. In here, I can select the Marshallberg Harbour photograph, and then I click OK, and then OK again. Just as with our first See Also link, when I right-click the pink highlights and go to Links, I can choose to open the item. You can check where there are See Also links in your project by going to the Notes area in the navigation view and selecting the folder See Also links. You can see there that there are lots of See Also links in the sample project. You can see from the list that there are 4 See Also links from the memo, Local Identity and Knowledge. If I right-click over it and select Open From Item, that memo will open and I can check out the data it is linking to. Are there any connections you'd like to make with this tool in your data?